चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
This one from the national capital. Arvind Kejriwal, as we understand, has filed a bail plea in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. The hearing for which will take place at 2 p.m. today. So while the clock is ticking for Arvind Kejriwal, who is out on interim bail by the court, and while he has to surrender on 2nd of June and will have to return to the Tihar lockup, Kejriwal has filed a plea in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, the hearing for which will take place at 2 p.m. this afternoon. All right, we will try and go across to Piyush as well to get us more details of this plea. But Kejriwal using all legal measures in order to find some solution as that clock is ticking for him. He is supposed to surrender on 2nd of June and return to the Tihar lockup. This, of course, in connection to Liquorgate probe. But this is not another plea of Kejriwal which has been filed in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. Arvind Kejriwal seeking bail extension. Now note this of course comes a day after the Supreme Court had junked that plea extension of bail request that was put forth by Arvind Kejriwal. The apex court had clearly stated that if Kejriwal wants the extension of bail, he must approach a lower court. So just a day after Supreme Court made it absolutely clear, Kejriwal moving Delhi court, it's Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, in where the petition has been filed. The hearing, we understand, will take place at 2 p.m. this afternoon. We will just try and connect with Piyush Ori as well. All right, he is joining us live right now. Piyush, Kejriwal going all out to find some solution. He is supposed to return to the ED lockup on 2nd of June. But tell us, is there any scope of respite for Arvind Kejriwal as he's filed a plea in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court?
So, Samikha, just to give it a context that the Delhi Chief Minister had approached the Supreme Court in order to extend his interim bail application for 7 days, and this he cited was because of the certain medical tests that he wanted to conduct owing to his massive loss of weight. So now the Supreme Court has directed Arvind Kejriwal that they would not be hearing this petition put forward by him and his legal team, but rather they would rather want it to be first put to test in the lower court, and thereby complying with the orders of the apex court. The Delhi Chief Minister and his legal team will today be putting the petition of his extension of his interim bail application in Rouse Avenue Court. Now, it will be interesting to see that what is going to be the stand that is going to be the stand that is going to be taken by the lower court in this matter. As it is, the bail application of Arvind Kejriwal has been denied in the past by the lower court, and it was only by the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court that his interim bail application and a slight relief was given to the Delhi Chief Minister for campaigning. Now, with the Supreme Court also saying that they would not provide any relief to the Delhi Chief Minister, and he would have to approach to the lower court for extension of his interim bail application. It will now be interesting to see that will the Delhi Chief Minister get this extension or not. Back to the studio.
All right, Piyush, thank you for the moment. So Arvind Kejriwal going all out when it comes to those legal recourse to ensure that he gets some sort of a relief. But for now, it's a fresh plea, understand, that's been filed by Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, the hearing for which will take place at 2 p.m.